Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Qapital Savings and Investing app, my goal-based finance experience. Qapital Savings and Investing app is designed to help you achieve your financial goals through automated savings and investment tools. It targets individuals who want a more engaging and personalized way to save and invest, offering features like setting savings goals, automated rules triggered by certain actions or events, and investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance. Their website provides details about the various plans and features. Qapital emphasizes ease of use and aims to make saving and investing more fun and less of a chore. They promote features like round-up rules, saving the spare change from purchases, guilt-free spending rules, and personalized goals, all aimed at simplifying the process. Qapital's pricing is tiered, with different monthly fees depending on the features you want. They are pretty transparent about their pricing with no hidden fees. The app uses established investment strategies and offers various portfolio options. You can check their website to see if the Qapital app is available in your region. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Qapital. Getting started was pretty straightforward. The app walked me through connecting my bank account and setting up my first saving goal. I decided to start with a guilty pleasure rule, which rounds up every purchase I make and puts the spare change toward my weekend getaway fund. I also set up a rule that automatically transfers $20 to my new phone fund every time I go to the gym. The interface is clean and intuitive, and it was easy to navigate between different goals and track my progress. I also appreciated the visualizations that showed how my money was growing over time. The performance has been reliable. The roundup rules worked seamlessly, and the automatic transfers always went through without a hitch. I had a quick question about changing my investment portfolio, and their support team responded within a day via email with clear instructions. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, making it easy to visualize my progress. The standout feature for me was definitely the flexibility of the rules. I could customize them to fit my spending habits and saving goals. One minor drawback was that it took me a little while to get used to the different investment portfolio options and choose the one that felt right for me. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Qapital. It has made saving money more engaging and less of a chore. That's my overview of Qapital Savings and Investing app, my goal-based finance experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.